Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent. First, we have to open the browser, type uTorrent, and choose the first result from the list. Now make sure you choose the uTorrent Classic and click Download. In the next window, choose the Basic plan and click Download Now. Now we have to wait a moment for the download to finish. When it's download, we have to locate it on our PC and double-click to start the installation. Choose Next. Choose Agree. Now you gotta skip this ad. And right now, I choose one icon, but it's up to you, how many you choose. Now in the next window, I don't change anything and just click Next. Now we have to wait a moment for it to finish. Now we click Finish. And uTorrent shows up. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.